Subscribe to Diazonic Labs and click on bell icon to get latest updates.
Now what we will do is we will go on for by taking two more variables. Let me take one variable by the name of Python. Okay, and then I will write here videos. Okay, I will take Python videos as my variable, and then I will write here input of enter total. All right, let me write enter number of Python videos. Okay, this is what I will write. I have taken one variable and I've written like this. And if you know, I have started another series here for Arduino tutorial. So I will write here another variable by the name of Arduino videos, and I will take here same thing, input of enter number of Arduino videos. Okay, this is what I will write right now. And people, please do check out the Arduino tutorial series. I've given the link in the description as well as on the top of this video. Please go there and check it out. Here I have taken two variables, and then the next thing what I'll do is I will write here say total. Okay, I will write here total, and total will be the addition of these two variables. So I will write here Python videos plus Arduino underscore videos. Okay, and then I will print out one message which says total. I'll just print out total for now. Okay, so this is what I'll do. I'll save this and I will run, and it is asking me number of Python videos, so I will write here say 12, and then it is asking me enter number of Arduino videos. I will write here 34. All right, so I've taken two variables and I've stored them, and then the next thing what it should do is it should add both the values and it should give me the answer. So 12 plus 34 is equal to 46. And then let us check what the output we get. Oh, okay, we are not getting the output correctly here. Here it is saying 1234. That is clearly not the output which we were waiting for. So here there is a problem in our code. Now, how do you check the problem? Now, the problem, if we identify, is in the form of this particular input method. Okay, so this input method, it always accepts the value in the form of string values. Okay, just to give you a quick example, let me go back to my shell, and here let me type say once again a is equal to 1. Oh, sorry, I will not write here 1. I will write input of say enter one value. Okay, this is what I will write here, and then press enter, and it is asking me to enter one value. I will write here say 12. Okay, now if I do a, it will print me the value of a. One point to be noted here is that previously also I had taken the value of a here, and recently also I had taken another a here. Now what happens? So in a program, if you write variables multiple times, then the latest value will be taken inside. You can try it out for yourself. So now the latest value of a is 12. All right, so now we have taken this value as a. Now if I do type of a, it tells me that the variable a is belonging to the data type string and it is not belonging to the data type integer. Okay, so that is the problem here. The 1 to 12 was being considered as a string, and 3 4 34 was being considered as a string. So when you do 1 to 12 string plus 3 4 string, you obviously end up getting 1 2 3 4 because the strings are being added, or the technical term is called as concatenation. The strings are being concatenated. So now what do I do if I have to add two values? It's very simple. You have to do one small technique called as typecasting. That means you have to convert the variable from string into integer data type. Okay, it's gonna be very simple. You have to just add here integer in front. I have to just add here int. I have to open and close int function here. I will do the same thing here as well. Int open and close. Okay, let me change this. Done. And then here I will save this first, and then I will show you the output. Enter the number of Python videos 12, enter the number of Arduino videos, that is 34, and then see the output is clear. We were expecting 46 and we are getting 46 here. Okay, now let me make it more special. Let me write it neatly here. What I'll do is I will write the total number of videos. Okay, the total number of videos on. Here I will close this, and instead of writing on my video channel, I want it to print my channel name. Okay, so what I'll do is I will remove this triple quote from here. Let the program ask user the input. So here I will put it back in this particular thing. Let me put here triple quote. Okay, it is opening and closing here. Let it ask the channel name. I will type Diazonic Labs. So here it will print the total number of videos on Diazonic Labs. How do I write on Diazonic Labs? I will write here comma, and then I will write here channel underscore name. Okay, this is what I write. The total number of videos on Diazonic Labs is what it's gonna print. Okay, and then I will give comma, and then I'll open another string here by opening double quote is. I will write here is, and then I will close here once again. Let me give space and let me close here, and then here it should print total. Okay, so it should print what is total here, what is the total number of videos. So it should print here the total number of videos on Diazonic Labs is so and so. Okay, so let me just save this and run. It is asking me my channel name. I will write here Diazonic space labs, and then it is asking me enter number of Python videos. I will write here 12. Arduino videos I will write 34, and then it says the total number of videos on Diazonic Labs is 46. Okay, so that is the output which we were expecting. So we have got the output as expected. All right, now there's one more terminology in which we can write this particular thing. So I will comment this and I will write here say print. Okay, and then here I will write the total number of videos. Okay, on, again I have to write my channel name, right? So if you remember, we have converted sorry, if you remember, this particular thing channel name is already in string. So I will close this and I will add here, I will concatenate now properly. How do I concatenate? By writing plus symbol. I will concatenate here by writing plus channel underscore name. Okay, I have concatenated here string plus. Okay, and then I will write one more statement is. Okay, and then I will close this, and then I will write here plus once again. Here I will write total, but then if I write here only total, I will get an error. Let us check the output and let us check what is the error here. So it is asking me channel name, so I will write here Diazonic space labs, and then 12, and then 34, and then after this I get an error. Now the error here, it says can concatenate only string values and not integer values. So if you take a look of the type of total here, it is obviously converted into integer values and it is stored in integer. I have to convert this integer data type back to string. How do I do that? I have to just add here str. Let me add here str, open and close, and then done. This is the final thing which we'll be doing. Let me run here and I will write once again Diazonic space labs, press enter, 12 and then 34, and then you get here the total number of videos on Diazonic labs is 46. Right, there is some problem with space which we didn't give. That should not be a problem. It can be solved very easily. All right, so that's it. That is how you add two numbers. Now, a quick task for you. What I want you to do is I want you to write a statement saying that the total number of videos on Diazonic Labs is so and so, and also we have got Python videos as this much and Arduino videos as this much, all of them in one single line. Okay, this is what I want you to type. Let me repeat it. I want you to write a code to repeat or say to print a statement saying the total number of videos on Diazonic Labs is say 46, and the number of Python videos is 12, and the number of Arduino videos is 24. Okay, so this whole thing should be printed in one single statement. This is what I want you to check. Okay, so now the code for this particular thing is given in the link below of your video. Okay, so I'll be putting this particular code in my GitHub account, in my GitHub repository. Please do check it out. If you want to check this code, if you want to use it for your reference, you can very well do it. And just to conclude, what we have done today is that we have learned what is a print statement and what is the input statement, what is the input function. And after that, we learned something about variables. And after that, I had told you about the variables memory resource, where the memory is being allocated for that particular thing. We also spoke about format specifiers. Then we checked the data type of that particular variable, and then we finally learned about typecasting, how we can convert one data type, how we can convert a variable from one data type to another data type, and then also about string concatenation. So string concatenations are done in two ways. One is by using comma, and one more is by using the plus and add both the strings. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be getting more awesome stuffs related to Python and other technologies on this particular channel. Thank you one and all. Until then, see you.